Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. From today, I'm going to start a new series of the project User Management System using React.js. For the database, we will use Firestone, and for the auth endpoints like login and the sign up, we will use the authentication feature of the Firebase. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the authentication page of the Firebase where we have no user for this project. And the second feature that we have Firebase database. As you can see, the database collection with the name users where we have the different saved user. Let's navigate to the Chrome browser and let me show you the demo of the project. As you can see, the sign up page of our project where we have two different inputs. First we have email, second we have password. Let's fill these inputs. So the email we have admin@test.com and the password that we have admin0. Let's click on the sign up button. As you can see, it's navigating us to the login page. Let's navigate to the Firebase console. Let me open here the authentication. As you can see, the newly created user with the identifier that we have admin@test.com and the password that is a form of a UID. Now I'm going to log in the user with the email that we have admin@test.com, password we have admin0. Let's click on the sign in button. As you can see, it's navigating us to the dashboard page. On the top of the page, we have two buttons. In the left, we have a button with the caption Post New User. In the right side of the screen, we have a logout button. Now I'm going to click on the Post New User button and it will navigate us to the Post New User page. So here I'm going to add the first name like user. Second name, I'm going to add here 123. Email, let me add here user@test.com. Let me add here the phone number. Let's click on the Save button. As you can see, the user posted successfully and it also navigates us to the dashboard page. As you can see, the users table where we have different columns. First we have first name, second we have last name, third we have email, fourth we have phone number, and the last we have action where we have a two button. First to edit the user and the second button to delete the user. So I'm going to edit this user. Let me click on this button and it will navigate us to update user page. In the URL, we are sending here the ID of the user. You can cross check the ID from the Firebase console. As you can see the details of the user and this is the ID. Now let me enter the updated details of the user with the first name Johan, last name K. Let me update here the email address that we have johank@test.com. Phone number I'm going to add here this. Let's click on the update button. As you can see, the user got updated. Now I'm going to delete this user. So let me click on the delete icon. As you can see, the user deleted successfully. So these are the few operations that the logged in user can perform. Now I'm going to click on the logout. As you can see, it's navigating us to the login page. Now I'm going to access the dashboard page without logging in. As you can see, it's navigate back to the login page. So these are the few endpoints that we will implement in the upcoming videos. For the auth, we have two endpoints, the login and the sign up. After the successful login, the logged in user can perform 5 different operations like post user, get user by ID, fetch all users, update user, and the delete user. So that's all for now from my side. I hope you will learn a lot from this series. If you have any confusion, you can document. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.